genius. How are you all? I'm back with a new topic. So children, as I hope you all are doing the worksheet at home. Yes children? So today I have brought a new topic for you. That is singular and plural. So are you ready to learn? Okay, so let's start singular and plural. So children, can you see one pot over here? Yes. So this is a single pot. Yes. So as there is only one pot, we say it's a single. So we say singular. What we say children? That object is singular. And if there are more than one object, we say plural. Can you see? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 pots. So we say there are many pots. For many we say plural. What we say children? Plural. So I am going to write the spelling pot. So there are many pot. बहुत सारे pot है. So I am going to say pots. What I am going to say? Pots. I am going to add s over here, children. Can you see? I have added one s over here because there are more than one pot. So this is singular. This is plural. For plural object, children, we add s over here. Okay, children? Because there are more than one pot. Okay, now children, this is star. So first we are going to write spelling of star. This is singular object. एक ही है. And if there are more than one, we are going to say they are plurals. So we are going to say stars. S add करना है because there are more than one star. So star and then you have to add S. Look, this is star, this is stars. So I have put S over here. When there are more than one object, children, we say there are plurals. They are plural. Okay, this is one book, children. So this is single book. So it's a singular. For singular, I am going to write book. And there are 2 books, more than one. So these are plural. So I am going to add S over here. S. Books. If there is only one book, I am going to write book. And if there are 2 books, more than one book, I am going to add S and it becomes books. Okay? So here children, grapes is given. How many grapes? 1 grape, single grape. So grapes. Grape and grapes. It becomes more than one. Grapes. ES will come. Grapes. Okay children? So this is grape and this is grapes. Because here is a singular, here is a plural. Plural means more than one. Okay, now cup children. Can you see there is only one cup? So if there is only one cup, I am going to say cup. And if there is more than one cup, I am going to say cups. Okay? So C-U-P, cup. And here I am going to say cups. Okay children? So I hope you are clear with the object. If there is one thing, I am going to specify the name. And if there is more things, I am going to add S over here and it becomes pot, pots, star, stars, book, books, grape, grapes, cup, cups. Okay? And children, don't worry about the spellings. Spellings will be given in your worksheet. You have to just circle according to the given line. Okay? If there is given circle the singular, so just you have to circle. Okay? You don't need to learn the spellings. Okay? Because you are too small to learn the spellings now. So just you have to do the circle. Okay? But children, I just want to clear it out that there are many other words which we don't add S if there are more than one object. Like children, can you see hair? For one also, hair, we say hair. And if there are many, more than one, then also we are not going to add S over here. Okay? For that we are going to say hair only. सो हेयर का कोई सिंगुलर प्लूरल नहीं होता. हेड, हेड. ओके. नाउ मैन एंड मेन. If there is one man, we are going to say man. And if there is more than one man, so we don't write it S. We don't write S. We write M-E-N. Men. क्या हम बोलते हैं? M-E-N. Men. It becomes men. Okay, person. If there is only one person, we say person. And if there are many persons or more than one person, we don't say persons. We don't add S. We write people. What we are write? Instead of person, we write people. P-E-O-P-L-E. People. एक पर्सन होता है तो हम पर्सन बोलते हैं. एक से ज्यादा होता है तो we say people. We don't need to add S in that. Okay? The word gets changed. Now children, child. Child, if there is only one child, we say child. But if there are more than one, we say children. What we say? Children. We don't need to add S over here. The word gets changed. We have to write children. Woman, it becomes woman. Means if there is only one woman, we say woman. But if there are more than one, we say woman. S नहीं लगाना है उसमें. These are the simple example in which we don't need to add S, but the spelling gets changed. Okay? So this, don't worry, you don't need to write in your book. Just you have to do the worksheet. This was just for your information. Okay, children? So in this also, you just have to circle. If there is single object is given, you have to circle. If star is going to come or stars is going to come. Okay, according to the worksheet you have to do. Take the help of your mama and your parents by doing this worksheet. Okay, children? And send your photos and videos. I am waiting for your photos and videos. I will be happy if you share your videos and activity whichever you are doing at home. Okay? Bye. Till then, take care. Bye, children.